This little guy just beat the level flawlessly in under 4 seconds, but to get here, we had to build a massive graveyard of its less fortunate clones. In this video, I'm going to show you how I trained this AI to play a complex Pico Park level that I made to challenge the AI. The objective is simple, reach that tiny green target. In this video, I'm using neat algorithm to train neural networks to solve this game. It simulates evolution. Each generation creates a bunch of agents, tests them, and lets only the fittest survive and mutate for the next round. The game has 3 distinct levels, each getting progressively harder. Let's start with level 1 and watch how the AI evolves generation by generation. Generation 1 might look like a total disaster, but it's actually a huge breakthrough. Notice how way more agents are falling into the pits now? That's intentional. I tweaked the fitness function so they don't get penalized for falling in. This keeps them in the gen pool long enough to learn that jumping is even an option. And finally we have a winner. Look at that, Generation 3 completely by accident figured out the exact timing to jump over the gap. He has no idea why it worked, but a win is a win. As you can see, I added a second pit to double the trouble. So now our agents can just rely on a single lucky jump to make it through. Level 2 was a success, but level 3 is where things get brutal. This one takes a ton of generations to solve. Level 3 was a wild ride. After a promising start, the agents got stuck for dozens of generations, until one genius agent finally cracked the code at the very end.